Okay, so if you turn to page 38, we're going to do one more problem. So this says you decide to use chalkboard paint to create a chalkboard on a door. You want the chalkboard to have a uniform border as shown. So the uniform border means the outside looks like this and it's all uniform. You have enough chalkboard paint to cover 6 square feet, and you want to find the width of the border to the nearest inch. So they actually give you the formula, because this is kind of hard to read. But here, if you look, from here to here is X, and from here to here is X, and from here to here is X. So you're going to take the 3 feet minus 2X is the width, and the 7 minus 2X is the height. So here they give you the equation. 6 equals 7 minus 2X times 3 minus 2X. So the first thing we're going to do is FOIL this. So 6 equals 21 minus 14X minus 6X plus 4X squared. And 0 equals 21 minus 6 is 15. So we'll say 15 minus 20X plus 4X squared. Okay. So now I'm going to put that in descending order. 4X squared minus 20X plus 15. And I'm going to solve this by completing the square. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. So negative 15 plus blank equals 4X squared minus 20X plus blank. Now, I am going to factor out the 4. So I get X squared minus 5X. And half of 5 is 5 halves. 5 halves squared is 25 fourths. So I'm going to add 25 fourths here, but I'm really adding 4 times 25 fourths, which is 25. So I'm going to put a 25 here. So I get 10 equals 4x minus 5 halves squared equals 10. So now I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to divide this by 4 and this by 4. So now I have 5 halves equals x minus 5 halves squared. I'm going to square root this and square root this. And the square root of 5 halves, okay. Not sure what that is, but I have x minus 5 halves equals plus or minus the square root of 5 halves. So let me see if I have a calculator. Should have been more prepared. So let's see. Second, square root of 2.5, enter, and that's 1.58. So x minus 1.58, x minus 2.5 equals plus or minus 1.58. So x equals 2.5 plus 1.58, or 2.5 minus 1.58. So my two values for x, let's see what they're going to be. So 2.5 plus 1.58 is 4.08, and 2.5 minus 1.58 is 0.92. So my two possible x values are 4.08. Now let's go back and look at the original problem. So there is a problem with the answer of 4.08. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 minus 8 is a negative number, which means that I have to throw out this answer. So my only answer is 0.92. Now, 0.92, let me get rid of all this now. So 0.92 is my answer. Let's go back to the problem, and I don't even remember what they're asking for. So I get x equals 0.92, and it says find the width of the border to the nearest inch. Okay, so, the problem is the answer they're giving us is in feet. So 0.92 is feet, and I have to convert that to inches. So wait a minute, what are they? The width is 3 minus 2x. So if I take 0.92 feet over 1, that equals 12 inches over 1 foot. The feet cancel out, and this ends up being 11.04 inches, or 11 inches. So I get x equals 11 inches. But I think I still have to plug this in here. So 3 minus 2 times 0.92. Let's just see what that is. 1.84 minus 3 is 1.16. So really, I have to change 1.16 feet into inches to find out what exactly the answer is. So it's going to be 1.16 times 12 is actually 13.92 inches. Okay, but the key here is really practicing completing the square. Okay, so now that you're done with this, you can go back and check the homework board and see what it is you should do for homework.